Want to master data structure and algorithms in just 160 days? Geeks for Geeks bring you GFG 160, a free structured DSA roadmap with daily practice problems, video solutions, explanation, and bonus workshop. Over 3,12,000 geeks have already joined. Will you be the next? So first of all, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and like the video because I bring more such amazing content and challenges and opportunities for you. So let's start. So basically GFG 160 is a free 160-day DSA program challenge. Yes, you heard it right. It's free. You don't have to pay a single penny where you will learn to solve one hand-picked problems daily complete with articles, video explanations and bonus problems. So in case you get stuck in any problem, and you are unable to solve it, you will have mentors who will guide you, you will have practice sessions, and many more. So, must check it out. So, here there will be 250 plus problems, 160 plus daily plus 90 bonus problems, including the 250 problems with video guides. So basically in this summer you'll get a chance to attend workshops like DevOps, full stack, data science, AI and many more. You'll get a completion certificate as a part of your participation. Apart from these you'll get a cool goodies. So as you can see, here is our page. So here, register today to know the full schedule of the workshop. So first of all, let me show you. Here is the course content which we'll be learning. So first of all, let me show you the course content which you'll be learning. That is arrays, lay the foundation, strings, sorting, searching, and matrix hashing. Here are the complete syllabus you can see. You can download the delete syllabus. Here is your instructor who is a DSA mentor at GFG. Also, here is a SDN mentor Yash Dwivedi at GFG. So these are your mentor. Here is the sprint series. Also, the event started on 3rd May. So register, hurry up and enjoy this bootcamp. This will end on 28th of May. So you have plenty of times. Here you learn master trees, Spring Boot, master front dev, DA with Python, intro to ML, AWS and DevOps. So these are the things you need to understand. First of all, let's cover the some FAQ. So as I said, GFG 160 is designed for topic-wise coding challenge with a span of 160 days. Whether you are an individual or a business employee or any beginner, pro and advanced level developer, you can always participate. You can help your peers and also learn in case you haven't. So here you will getting a cool GFG bag and t-shirts. So here is one condition. You need to participate with fresh account. If you have already participated previously, just create a new account and register it. So this course is for everyone. As you can see, students who are looking for coding interviews and sharpen their DSA skills. So do check it out. And absolutely DSA is completely free, means additional workshop will be there too for guiding you how you will excel in your career. And here DSA will be, they will be taught multiple languages apart from this. Now let's move to the register section. So how you will register and enter into this course. So click on register now. So make sure first you are sign into the program. Here the page has been opened. So now here you have to enter name. Email will be selected automatically, and after that you have to select your graduation year, like enter your graduation year, and here enter your phone number. So I will skip this part and you will see it. We will meet after this. So let me enter it. So finally we are logged into the course. Here once you have completed this entire course and the problems, you click on generate certificate and a certificate will be generated for you. So as you can see, you have to enter the name and it will generate the certificate. You have to meet the cutoff. So let me show you. Here is the basic info article. And here are the videos. As you can see, 6 videos articles. So there are videos along with this. There are articles which you can read, and after solving it, watching it, and understanding it, solve the problem. So from here, read it and complete all. And once you have completed all things, you'll get a chance to win the cool goodies. And I will make a video on it. So as you can see, there are some people who have already completed. So as you can see, these are the marks of these people who have participated and completed most of the problems. So if you face any error, do comment down below. Apart from these, thank you guys. Also, do let me know if you face any problem in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.